Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the new video. Guys, you already have seen on the thumbnail what will be discussed in this video. So guys, you will be discussed about in this video tips and tricks of the classifications of soil. So guys, you know about that there is a lots of types of classifications of soil. You can see here, these are the list of transported soil, these are the list of alluvial soil. So guys, here if you're going to remember these all types of soil, then you can remember in a few minutes and you will be forget after some time. So guys, in this video I'm going to provide some silly tricky, some funny tricky, so you can remember these all types of soil with a few minutes and you will be never forget these all types of soil. So I hope this video will be more informative for you. So guys, without wasting your time, let's continue this video. So guys, before starting the video, if you are new at our channel, this is our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also if you want to connect with me on this social platform, then you can search on this any platform Arc Engineering Tech and you can join with me and you can ask any problem regarding this civil engineer and any fresher students. If you want to guidance, anything if you want to, you can just share with me any problem. And this is the one of the new benefit for you, one of the new announcement for you. Also I have created the one of the new group, WhatsApp group, Arc Engineering Tech Learner, and you can go to descriptions box. I have already provided the link of this WhatsApp group. Go to here and you can check there out and you can join this group, and through this group you can ask any problem and I will provide you the solutions of your problem. So guys, let's start without wasting your time. The list, so this is the transported list. I have already shown to you transported soil and this is the residual soils. So guys, so you will be discussed one by one. So first we are going to discuss alluvial soil. Alluvial soil, the first term C ALLU, this is the first term ALLU, and you can make the idea ALLU, you can rough idea ALU. ALU is cannot be dissolved in water, am I right? It means suspension. So the soil which is get from the suspension, I mean disposals from this any source, I mean the particular from basically river, this is nothing, this is the alluvial soil. The trick is what is this? Alluvial, ALU. So you can remember this from the word ALU. Okay, and next one of the lacustrine soil. Lacustrine soils, you know, you can see here LAC, what it means? LAKE. So you can make the rough idea LAKE, lake, the soil which is obtained from the lake. Generally this is the rough idea. So I'm not going to describe all terms of this particular because I have to provide only tips and tricks. You can remember this, and you can also find out this some of terms like lacustrine soil, which is from lake, still water, am I right? And this is basically present in the MP, Rajasthan. This is a transported soil, physical weathering. I'm not going to discuss all these parts, am I right? So just I'm going to give you some trick to remember this for permanently. Alright, so third one of the, we are going to discuss third one of the marine is generally you can make the idea this is C, just you don't have to any things. Okay, and fourth one of the aeolian soil. Aeolian soil, it is meant air, aeolian air, so wind blowing. Okay, transported by wind blowing, so you can make the idea from this. And next one of the glacial, which is nothing but glacier. So you can make the idea the soil which is carried by the what? Glacier. Which boulder size? There is a lots of size you can see in detail. Okay, so and sixth one of the Lewis. Lewis means what? You can find out some silly idea. Lewis means halka. When this is the halka, it means what? Light. When it's light, then absolutely wind blown, am I right? So this is a silly concept, am I right? Silly concept, wind blown. Okay, loose soil matlab wind blown. Okay, you can do that. And next one of the last one of this transported soil, this is the colloidal soil. This is one of the some uniqueness we have to take in this some another idea. This is transported by gravity, and basically it's found in Himachal Pradesh. You know that gravity, and you have to remember this colloidal soil which is taken out from the gravity. Am I right? So I hope this 7 from the transported it's clear. So let's proceed further. We'll be see residual soil. These are the list of the residual soil. Okay, so first number 8 you are going to marl soil. Marl means what? Yum. You already seen in transported soil one of these, what? Marine. This is also marl. This is also marine origin. So MARINE marine origin. Yum से yum see marine origin. The marl soil obtained from marine origin. Okay. So next one of the top means what you can assume, what you can await that top means hard. You can just assume tough pronunciation. Just we are going to discuss according with pronunciation hard. So this soil which is obtained from what? Volcanic eruptions. Am I right? What? Volcanic eruption. Okay, so this is the idea, tough volcanic eruptions. And next we are going to discuss bentonite soil. This is also formed due to the volcanic eruptions, chemical weathering, volcanic eruptions. Am I right? Bentonite is also formed volcanic eruption. Okay, so next one of this black cotton soil. The name black, it means what? Black soil. And you know that black cotton soil have access of Montmorillonite. And what is Montmorillonite, guys? If you want to know about that, then please comment to me. I will let you know first. Comment who have to interested to know about that. I will be discussing in comment box. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss here. Black cotton soil, this is a black. Am I right? So next one of the laterite soil. What it mean? Laterite soil, you can given the idea laterite, LA, just take L, leaching. Laterite, it's from leaching. Leaching is what? This is the one of the process. Also, if you want to know, then definitely comment me. I will let you know in the comment box. If you want to know, if you are interested to know what is the leaching process, then I will let you know. Okay, so this is from the laterite, it means leaching, L. Okay, laterite soil. And next one of the mock soil. What? Mock soil, it means what? Let's see right here. Mock means mixture of organic and inorganic. You are aware that organic and inorganic, this is nothing but mock soil. Okay, organic and inorganic, this is the mock soil. And these soils have also is marshy. You can marshy. Okay, next one of the what? Cumulose soil. You can write CUM, cumulose soil. So what you can make the idea, before one of the soil is missing, number 14. This is the peat soil. Okay, this is a peat soil, and peat soil is nothing but this is the just highly organic content. Am I right? Highly organic soil, highly organic. And after that 15, cumulose soil. Cumulose, common. What is the common? Matlab mixture. Common mixture means mock plus peat. So let me erase it, then I will let you know. Mock, cumulose, common, mock plus peat. This is the cumulose soil. So, and next one of the loam Loam soil is nothing but, this is the, you have to know, this is the mixture of clay, silt and sand. This is the three gradient. The mixture of three gradient is loam soil. And last one of the glumbo soil, GLUMBO, glumbo soil. So what you can make the rough idea, glumbo soil, this is the black colored glumbo. See this glumbo B, this is the black colored glumbo. Glumbo means black colored sticky plastic soil. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear to all of these, and I hope you will never forget these ideas to remember these all types of soils. These are the all 17 soil, and here one of the soil missing, 14 peat soil. Okay, peat soil. So thank you so much guys to watch this video till end.